Education Practice Paper 13. In India, compulsory primary education is constitutional right. Magna Carta of English education in India is Wood's Dispatch. Brahmo Samaj was started by Rajaram Mohan Rai. Adult education is for adults. I select the school to start my career on the basis of good student. An idealist view of life, written by Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Low primary classes are 1 to 4th standard. Varda education system was organized by Gandhiji in 1937. Vishwabharati University started by Rabindranath Tagore in the year 1921. Which of the following universities is located at Coimbatore? Bharatiyar University. Love is fine flower, but unit of consciousness is the root. Who said this? Sri Aurobindo. Language formula followed in India in the mid-60s was 3 languages. Gandhi Rural University is located at Gandhigram. In India, school education is offered up to 18 years. Which country introduced college education in India? England. National Council of Educational Research and Training (NCERT) was started in the year 1961. Kota Open University is located at Rajasthan. Valuation means valuing educational standard. Arya Samaj is a social reform movement. Central Leather Research Institute CLRI is in Chennai. Tamil Nadu Agricultural University is in Coimbatore. Sangeet Natak Academy was founded to promote performing arts. In education, stagnation means students studying the same class in several years. Headquarters of University Grants Commission is New Delhi. Dr. Lakshmana Mudaliar Commission is related to secondary education. Swami Vivekananda spoke before the Parliament of Religions in Chicago in the year 1893. Indian Institute of Advanced Studies located at Simla. Glimpses of World History written by Jawaharlal Nehru. Socrates was a great philosopher. Saraswati Samman Award is given by K.K. Birla Foundation. Chittira Pavai novel written by Agilan. University of Madras started in the year 1857. Natural education was the thought of Tagore. The important duty of the teacher is to develop the personality of the students. Freedom in learning situation was emphasized by J. Krishnamurti. The book I Follow the Mahatma, written by K. M. Munshi. Development is influenced by behavior. Elementary schools lay the foundation for primary education. In a learning curve, plateau refers to period of no apparent progress. Misery is a greater teacher than happiness. Who said this? Swami Vivekananda. The end state which gives direction to motivated behavior is called a goal. A teacher is successful only if he got good training in teaching. Concept of mobile schools was put forth by Ian Lister. Which of the following is most likely to motivate 15-year-old boys strongly? teacher and adult approval. Education related to the needs of the pupil and the improvement of their socio-economic status is known as functional education. Indian university education was framed by Dr. Radhakrishnan Commission. Child learns a lot of things by imitating. National Council for Teacher Education (NCTE) was established by an act of parliament. A candle that stops burning can never light another candle. It is said by Tagore. Banaras Hindu University is founded by Madan Mohan Malaviya. Thank you for watching. We will meet in the next video.